And the race is on. Forest All from the outside, moving up by the rallies. One Bahamas. Hannah's Gold also rushing up. It's Hannah's Gold followed by One Bahamas, Forest All. And racing on the outside is May Bucaspa down on the inside. Entry number 5, and this one is Princess Julian. Hannah's Gold by Anek, One Bahamas, Princess Julian, Forest All, May Bucaspa racing in fifth, and running 6, Admiral Contender, Reyes Gold, What Alert, and Significant Other. And rounding the far turn, Hannah's Gold by about 2 lengths, One Bahamas, Princess Julian, May Bucaspa, Forest All on the outside as they race the last 500. Hannah's Gold by only a length and a half. May Bucaspa on the further outside is Forest All as they race the final corner. Hannah's Gold, May Bucaspa, Princess Julian, Badral One Bahamas, Forest All. Hannah's Gold by about 3 lengths, May Bucaspa in second, and Forest All on the outside, moving up Admiral Contender, and nearing the finish line. Hannah's Gold, number 2. Second, May Bucaspa, Admiral Contender, Forest All, One Bahamas, Significant.
263.10.1.